Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel, and in this video I want to share with you ways by which you can get started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire without having to buy the 72 IG course. Now, a lot of people have come to me to tell me that, see Mandy, I am interested in getting started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire, but the problem is that I do not have the money to purchase the 72 IG course right now. Is there no other way for me to get started? And I've actually recommended quite a number of helpful trainings to these people that have come to me in my DM on WhatsApp, and they've really seen great results with these other alternatives that I've recommended to them. And I felt, why not share it with you people? Because I'm very sure that there's somebody out there that wants to get started with Expertnaire, that wants to get started with affiliate marketing and Expertnaire, but they are feeling like, oh, when will this money be complete for me to get started? So instead of you to be wasting time waiting for your money to be complete, you can actually get started with all of these other alternatives that is not as expensive as the 72 IG. Excuse me. You can actually get started with all of these other alternatives that is not as expensive as 72 IG. And then when you start making money, as you're making money, you can then go for the 72 IG training and upgrade your knowledge. So are you ready to learn about these cheaper methods, cheaper options to getting started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire? If you are, then stick with me till the end of this video. Meanwhile, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. I really do appreciate you. And if you are seeing me for the very first time, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. And I want to assure you that this video isn't going to be a waste of your time, neither is going to be a waste of your data, and you would definitely love it here. So hit that subscribe button right now, hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are the first to know. So guys, let us get right into the business of the day, which is how to get started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire without purchasing the 72 IG training. Should I put it this way? Lesser or cheaper options to getting started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire. So guys, come along with me. First off, if you do not know what Expertnaire is, let me just take this few seconds to explain what Expertnaire is to you. So Expertnaire is an affiliate marketing platform for Nigerians. Now, the reason why I'm saying it is for Nigerians is because you would need a Nigerian bank account to actually get your affiliate commission. So even if you're not a Nigerian, or you don't live in Nigeria but you are a Nigerian, provided you have a Nigerian bank account, you can actually be an affiliate on Expertnaire. Because right now, as at the time I am recording this video, Expertnaire is only open to Nigerians. That means for you to be an affiliate on Expertnaire, you need to have a Nigerian bank account to get your affiliate commissions. But that notwithstanding, all of the courses on Expertnaire is open to people all over the world. Expertnaire currently has 86 digital products on the platform, getting very close to 90. So Expertnaire has all of these high value knowledge based products open to people all around the world. Just that if you want to be an affiliate on the platform, you need a Nigerian bank account to get your affiliate commissions. But that notwithstanding, you can sell the courses to people all over. Do you understand? So basically, that is like a quick overview of Expertnaire. There is a more detailed video where I explain Expertnaire in detail and how you can actually get started with Expertnaire affiliate marketing. I'm going to link the video right in the description, and you can as well find the link anywhere on your screen right now. So if you want to check that video out, you might want to go and check it out and get a full understanding of affiliate marketing on Expertnaire. That is for those of you who do not know what affiliate marketing on Expertnaire is all about. But if you already know and you're looking for cheaper alternatives, cheaper ways to actually get started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire, you've heard about the 72 IG training, but you really cannot afford it right now. You sincerely cannot afford it right now, but you want to get started because you're tired of waiting and trying to get the funds together, and you don't want to waste time. You just want to get started so that you can start making money ASAP. Like I said, that is as soon as possible. Then stick with me. This video is definitely for you. And One more thing, at the end of this video I have a special gift for you, yes, provided you stay till the end. So you might want to make sure that you stay good to this video and watch it to the end, so grab your gift. Now let's get to the real business of this video, which is getting started with Expertnaire with a cheaper option, or with a lesser option. Now don't get me wrong, this does not mean that 72IG is a bad training. No. As a matter of fact, 72IG is one of the cheapest trainings out there that will teach you how to run your own digital marketing business, how to set up your own digital marketing business, basically teach you how to sell everything you need to know at that price. As a matter of fact, honestly, 72IG is one, if not the cheapest out there, that offers you so much for so little. But then some people still cannot afford it. I mean, that is just how life is. Some of us will be able to afford some certain things, some of us will not be able to afford some certain things. That does not mean that it is bad or it is good. That is the reason why we all are trying our best to make sure that we make the most out of our lives, and we learn all of these things that can help us to make money. So like I was saying, 72IG is one of the cheapest courses out there that will teach you all of these things. But so that you don't think I am undermining this the training, or for those of you that have gotten this episode IG training, you're watching this video so that you don't start to feel bad that, oh, did I waste my money? I should have just waited a little bit. No. As a matter of fact, I always tell my students that I recommend this training to that, see, you're getting this training because you just want to get started and you don't want to waste time, and you want to start making money, so that by the time you're making money, you can then upgrade your knowledge and go for higher training, e.g. 72IG. So let's not get it twisted, let's not get it wrong. I am just really being sincere and honest with you. I've been an affiliate on Expertnaire for quite some time now, for some months, and I've seen how all of these things goes, and I actually come to realize that you do not really need 72IG to get started. However, as you grow in the business, you might want to upgrade your knowledge, because for somebody like me, learning is a continuous process, and I want to believe it is so for you as well. So even though you've gotten this training and you've learned something and you've gained something and you've started making money, it gets to a point you want to make more money, you want to expand your business, then at that point you have more than enough money to buy 10 72IG courses altogether. So am I making sense, guys? So let's go right into it. Now, these options will cost you money, right? Just like it's going to cost you lesser than the 72IG training. Are we together? So guys, what are these lesser options that I'm talking about? I'm going to be giving you guys 3 alternatives to getting started with affiliate marketing on Expertnaire without the 72IG course. Do you understand? So the very first one is the SCDP Affiliate Cash Out Workshop by Desmond Okosi. Now, if you want to get started as an Expertnaire affiliate with this particular training, it will cost you just 30,000 naira, guys. Just 30,000 naira for both the training and your Expertnaire account. So that means with 30,000 naira, you can start your affiliate marketing journey and start making money. I have students that I've recommended this training to, and they are currently cashing out, guys. They are currently cashing out. So if you would love to also take on this option and get started with your affiliate marketing business and start making money and start cashing out, just like the name implies, all you have to do is check in the link in the description for how to get access. But then hold on, I have a gift for you at the end of this video. Remember that. So make sure that you watch the video to the end and listen to the other 2 options I have for you. Now, the second option is a 0 to 2K blueprint by Bruno Iwogu. Now, this 0 to 2K blueprint is so awesome, it's so amazing. As a matter of fact, my students that got it, one of my students that actually got this training, made his first sale after just 2 weeks. Yes, guys, after 2 weeks. That's for you to know how awesome and how amazing this training is. And to get started on Expertnaire with this particular training, is going to cost you just 45,000 naira, guys. Yes, just 45,000 naira. But hold on just a little bit. Like I said, I have a gift for you at the end of this video, so don't rush so that you can grab your gifts. Now, the third option, guys, the third option is the first affiliate sale blueprint by Tamilore Adewiyi. Now, this particular training with your Expertnaire account is going to cost you just 40,000 naira. And guys, this training is super duper amazing, super duper awesome. Now, if you get started with any of these 3 trainings, you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. You would literally be making your first 1 million naira as an affiliate with this training. Now, coupled with the gifts that I have for you, remember I told you that I have a gift for you if you watch this video till the end. Well, we have gotten to that point right now. Meanwhile, I hope you've liked this video. I hope you have hit that like button, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to also hit that subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, guys, let's talk about these gifts that I have for you. This gifts that I have for you is called the Zero to Hero Affiliate Mentorship Training Program Membership. Guys, you see, this Zero to Hero affiliate training will help you grow your affiliate marketing business from ground zero to 100 without a single paid ad. Like, it will literally teach you how to grow your business organically, applying organic methods. Like, after spending money on the training, I mean, as a matter of fact, let's think about it. You want to get a cheaper option because you do not actually have the money for the services IG training. So why should you start your business with running Facebook advertisements? You do not need Facebook advertisements when you have the Zero to Hero Affiliate Mentorship Training Program with you. And that is the gift I have for you guys, because I'm going to be giving you free 3 months access. Yes, free 3 months membership that originally and normally cost 45,000 naira as at the time I am recording this video, but I'm going to be giving it to you for free if you get any of the options that I listed earlier. Yes, if you get the SCDP cash out workshop, if you get the first affiliate sale blueprint, or you get the ultimate 0 to 2k dollars blueprints by Bruno Iwogu, any of these 3 options that you decide to go for, I am going to be giving you the Zero to Hero Affiliate Mentorship Training Program for free 3 months membership. Absolutely free. That means you don't even need to pay the additional 45,000 naira for this training, guys. A combination of the Zero to Hero training with these other trainings that I listed for you will skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. So please do all you can, do all your best not to miss it. Imagine getting the SCDP affiliate cash out workshop, for example. Both the training and your Expertnaire account is going to cost you 30,000 naira, and then you will get 45,000 naira training for free. Not just that, you're going to get access to 2 paid mentorship groups worth 80,000 naira for free. You're also going to get access to my own mentorship, in addition to so many other bonuses that I have in store for you guys. If you would love to take on this offer, there is a link in the description of this video. Just read the description of this video, click on that link to get any of these options that I have just listed and start your business, guys. Before the end of this year, you can actually literally become a millionaire. You can make your first 1 million naira online as an online marketer, as a digital marketer, as an affiliate marketer. Do you understand? You don't have to do guesswork. You don't have to wait around for your 76 IG training fee to be complete. And like I said, by the time you start making money, you will be able to even buy 10 72 IG courses. How does that sound? Sounds good, right? Sounds awesome. So if you would love to take this training, do not forget, like I said, the link will be in the description of this video. So make sure that you watch out for that link, click on that link to get any of these options that you want. And like I said, these bonuses that I've listed out with some other ones will be yours. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to drop your comments under this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask your questions in the comments of this video. And do not forget to also share this video. You have friends that are looking for alternatives to services IG training, that has always wanted to start affiliate marketing on Expertnaire, but the issue has always been money. Share this video with them. You never really can tell. You don't even know who you're going to be helping by sharing this video. And do not forget, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just tap on that subscribe icon. I mean, you've watched the video up until this point. Why won't you subscribe to my channel? Subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you turn on post notification, so that when I drop new videos, you will be the first to know. Thank you so much for staying till this point. I really do appreciate you. I love you. I'm wishing you all the very best, and keep being amazing. Until next time.